Everyone, so this is a review of my replacement canister for my Dyson. So this fits various models of the Dyson. I currently have the Dyson V11, so you just want to make sure you have the correct model and that it does fit the one that you're looking to replace. So I did need to replace the previous one I had. It did break accidentally. I came across this replacement one and decided to purchase it. It has been amazing. It works just as great as the original Dyson brand. Everything is pretty much identical to the T. So if you guys are looking for a replacement canister for your Dyson vacuum, consider this one. I highly recommend it.